This is in Orange County, California at the Santiago Oaks Park. It's like a pretty rough trail, right?
Pretty rugged.
This guy is biking this trail quite extreme if you ask me, and you're about to see why. He's doing it on a unicycle.
Yeah. So would that make that a mountain unicycle? A mountain cycle?
Mountain uni.
He's calling it a muni.
A muni?
A muni.
Oh, that makes sense.
So this is Terry Peterson. He is a unicycling expert. But get this, Terry is also known as a unigeezer because the guy riding this unicycle is 56 years old.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
I wouldn't exactly call him a geezer.
Yeah, definitely not.
He calls himself that. He started on the unicycle when he was 10, did it for a little bit, let it go, and when he was 50 years old decided he wanted to try it again. To tell us a little bit more about extreme unicycling, we have Terry with us via Skype right this minute.
Terry, what are you holding on to near the seat? Is that the brake, or are you holding on to a handle on the seat?
This is called a lift handle, and this is basically used to help lock your feet onto the pedals, and when you're jumping and hopping, you bring the unicycle up with you.
Does this hurt your bum?
Actually, no, because when you're doing that, you're actually up off the saddle, all your weight's on the pedals.
Why start unicycling again after 40 years of not doing it?
Because I needed a way to get back in shape, and to my surprise, it was kind of like a bike. I just got right back on it, started riding.
So what made you start riding your unicycle on a mountain?
I love getting out in nature and just riding for miles and miles and challenging myself. For me, it's like my personal fountain of youth. It keeps me fit and in shape and young at heart.
Terry, I imagine you get a lot of strange looks from other bikers when you're out there just with one wheel.
It used to be, hey, where's your other wheel? And now it's like, wow, dude, you rock.